All right. My final question for you this evening is, as a diasporan, you live in the UK, you work in the UK. Have you invested in Alibo? I mean, like the mantra that goes, Akurulo, Amaronye Baraya,
Yeah.
Echerulo, Ajurenku.
Yeah.
Have you invested in Igbo land? Hello, beautiful people. It's your boy Chukwemeka, the host of Namen TV, and also Unify Igbo's Now. Today, I am with a very respected high life musician, the king of high life. I will allow him to introduce himself.
Hello, people. My name is Wilson Wane. Like people do call me Ezegwu Africa in the United Kingdom, which simply means King of High Life Music in Diaspora.